Okay, let's see now. What is the given data? See, secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to how much is asking. Okay, observe carefully, it is some formula. Am I correct or not? Which one? If you remember, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 is our identity, right? From here, secant square theta, bring 1 to this side so that it will become minus 1. Tan square, if it go to other side, it will become plus tan square. So you can replace secant square theta minus 1 with a tan square theta. Correct? And at the same time, there is identity 3. In the identity 3, what is the identity 3? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Again interchange. What do you get? Cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Substitute here, what it will become? This will become as tan square theta into, this will become as cot square theta. We know that cot can be written as 1 by tan, right? So tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta. Both cancel. What is left? 1. So answer is 1. Is it clear? See, here we wrote detail. In detail. You can do it very fast itself. Understand? You won't require this much of time. Directly will substitute here tan square, cot square, tan into cot 1. We know. Directly will write 1. Clear? Let's see. But internally, this all thought process should run. Keep in mind. Let's see the next one. Observe the question. They gave sin theta is equal to P by Q. Tan theta is what? Gave sin theta is equal to P by Q. Asking for what? Tan theta. This can be done in two ways. By creating the right angle triangle, we can do. Understand? You just indicate it is theta, it is A, it is B, it is C. Sin means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. It is P, it is Q. Correct? Huh? What about is this AB then? Root of Pythagoras theorem. Q square minus P square. See, I am writing directly. Those who are not able to apply the Pythagoras theorem quickly, you will waste your time in your exam. So, you should be very thorough with that. Practicing means doing the things faster only called practicing. Understand? So, from here tan theta, what is tan theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side. Very good. So, P by root of Q square minus P square. That's it. Is it clear for everybody? Purinjicha. So, what is the answer? Correct answer. P by Q square minus P square. See answer. Easy, right? The another method is tan theta. I can write in terms of fully sin theta. How can we do that? Tan theta, fully sin theta. Yes, we can write. What is tan theta relation? Secant square theta is there, right? So from that, tan square theta can be written as, just now we used secant square theta minus 1. Agree with this? But secant can be written as 1 by cos square theta, right? Yes or no? Secant is 1 by cos square theta. Am I correct or not? Cos square can be written as, in terms of sign, with the identity help, 1 minus sin square theta. Agree? Substitute the values now. 1 by 1 minus, what is sin theta? They gave P by Q. So its square will become P square by Q square. Now simplify this. Take the LCM for this denominator of the denominator. What it is? Q square. Here what it will become? Q square minus P square. Here it is 1 minus 1. We know that this will go to the numerator. Altogether it will become what? Q square by q square minus p square minus 1. Now do the LCM for this. What you will be ended up with? You will be ended up with q square minus q square plus p square by q square minus p square. Q square cancel. What is left out? P square by q square minus p square. Whose value it is? Tan square theta value is p square by q square minus p square. Then what about tan theta value? Under root. Square irukku p ku, so it is verum p. Whole divided by, what it will be? Very good. Root of q square minus p square. Is it clear for everybody? Yes. Any confusion, sir? Sure. See, but the second method is lengthy. Yes. If they ask you to express tan theta in terms of sine, then only do this second method. Understand? If we didn't say, just asked for tan theta, which is the easiest method, triangle method only, easiest you can do faster. Is it clear for everybody? Yes. Let's do the next question. 21. Simplest form of this. What is the simplest form of this? When you observe very carefully, it is belongs to which identity? First identity. Yes or no? What is your first identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Send cos square to other side. What it will become? Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. You should remember this. You should not write these steps all the time. Oh, in your mind this should be registered. After that automatically 1 minus cos square na sin square. Like that you should able to tell. Clear? So substitute now. Root of what you are having here? Sin square theta into 1 plus tan square. What it will be? Second identity secant square theta. Those both are multiplying terms and under the root square roots will get cancelled. You will be left with verum sin theta into secant square theta. Sorry, secant theta. Secant theta can be written as, so sin theta by cos theta. What is that value? Tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is going to be tan theta. Understand? Now, let's do the next question. 22nd. What is the question? If sin square theta plus sin theta is going to be 1, he himself said, correct? What he himself said? Sin square theta plus sin theta, you treat it as 1. Understand? So observe very carefully. Sin square theta plus sin theta equal to 1. From here, sin theta will be how much, ma? 1 minus sin square theta. Agree or not? Yes or no? But you remember one thing. 1 minus sin square theta means actually who is that from the identity? It is cos square theta. Oh, what you observed here? Whenever you see sin theta, it can be replaced with cos square theta. Take the given itself. What is the given? Sin square theta plus sin theta value is 1. Agree? Sin theta can be written as what? Just now we concluded. Cos square theta. But sin theta whole square can be written as cos theta oda, sorry, cos square theta oda whole square. So altogether what it will become? Cos power 4 theta plus cos square theta is going to be how much? 1. That's what only asked, right? Cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta will be how much? 1 itself. Clear? So whatever is this value, this also same. It should be given 1, otherwise we cannot proceed in the question. Is it clear for everybody? Yes? Understand? So answer is how much here? 1. Let's do the next question. Observe. See this. This is calculation question. Means mixed concept question. They are mixing two concepts. One is trigonometry along with coordinate geometry. So these are 2 points. So you just indicate the points as this is, let it be x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. He asked for distance between. This point name A vechukonga, this point name B vechukonga. Distance between A and B. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of, what is x2 ma? 0 minus, what is x1? A cos theta plus b sin theta the whole square plus, what is y2? A sin theta minus b cos theta minus, what is y1? 0 whole square. Agree with this? Now root of, what is there? 0 minus anything, same term only, right? Since it is square, minus will vanish, minus won't be. It is like a plus b whole square. So what it will become? A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Correct? Plus, expand this minus 0 will vanish. So whole square, it is like a minus b whole square. So a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. When you observe properly, this term will cancel. What are you left with? A square cos square, a square sin square, b square sin square, b square cos. A square terms nandu a square common eduthukonga. So what it will become? Root of, from a square terms, a square out, what is left? Cos square theta plus, where is another a square? This one. Sin square theta plus b square, you take it common now. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So what is your final answer? Root of a square plus b square. Is it clear for everybody? See, if you are doing this sum in exam, this is unnecessary step. Yes or no? This is also unnecessary step. You can directly go with this step. This is also unnecessary step. You can conclude your answer with this. Why I wrote these steps means to make you more clear. Is it clear? This is the thought process should run for this problem. Is it clear for everybody? Any confusion? Fine. Let's do the next question. What is this question? 5 tan square theta minus 5 secant square theta is equal to how much is asking. No issue. In these two terms, you can take something common, I guess. Yes? Take it 5 common out. What is left? Tan square theta minus secant square theta. I think there is one identity, ma. What is that identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Suppose if these two are ulta, then it will become as tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to minus 1. So your answer is going to be 5 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 5. Is it clear for everybody? Understand? So every question is dealing with identity, in particularly MCQ questions. In multiple choice questions, every question dealing with identity. Understand? You should be very thorough with the identity. Let's do the next. Show that this is equal to this. So whenever you need to prove, you take your LHS. Take the LHS. LHS equal to, what is the LHS here? 1 plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. I think it is belongs to third identity, correct? From the third identity, what is 1 plus cot square theta will be? Howda? ஏதோ சும்மா அது சொல்லு லூகேஸ் ஸ்கொயர் சொல்லு. Okay, 1 plus cot square theta will be what? You see, third identity I said cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Send these to this side. What it will be? Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Is it clear? Yes or no? So from here what do you get? Substitute here. Cosecant square theta divided by, what is 1 plus tan square theta then? Very good. Secant square theta. Observe very carefully. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Secant can be written as 1 by cos square theta. So it is fraction divided by fraction. How will you write? Yes, 1 by sin square theta into, you have to reverse the denominator fraction. So it will become as cos square theta by 1. Multiply the terms which are beside each other. So you will be left with cos square theta by sin square theta, which is equal to cos theta by sin theta whole square, which is equal to cot square theta. You have to write all the steps. You should not miss. I missed one identity. You have to mention that identity also. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You should mention these identities also in your solution. Otherwise, there is a chance they will reduce half mark. If you don't want that half mark, you can neglect. And your conclusion should be like this: is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. You have to conclude. Don't write HP. Hence, proved you write. Is it clear? Because it is descriptive question. They are expecting. They know answer. Answer they themselves gave. They themselves gave the answer. They are expecting answer from you. Do they expect answer from you? No, they are expecting the procedure, how you are putting the steps. Is it clear? You should not avoid any step while writing descriptive question. Yes or no? They give answer, right? They are expecting answer. It's not answer. How will you answer? How will you write each step? Syllabus, what they will do after reaching here, directly they will write cot square theta. Because yes, true it is. We said cot theta is cosecant theta by secant theta. If you remember that, you might write answer. In MCQ, that is okay. Understand? It's not MCQ, right? Is it clear? You should tell like this everybody will know, right? Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Like that place you have to bring. Understand? I hope it is clear for everybody. Let's go to the next question. Simplest form of this. So take this is equal to. It is equal to. What is 1 minus cos square theta? You have to mention from the identity 1. Understand? From the identity one. What is the identity? Yes, sine square A, because A is here, right? Plus cos square A equal to 1. Therefore, sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Similarly, what is 1 plus cot square A? Cosecant square A. Observe very carefully. Sine square A don't disturb. Cosecant square A can be written as 1 by sine square A. Sine square A cut. You are left with what? 1. Therefore, 1 minus cos square A into 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1. You need to highlight it in a box. That's it. Your answer is done. Then what they will do while correcting, they will check this box first. Yes, it is correct. This guy did well. Whether he used the identities, yes, you used. Where is the second identity? How to mention that also. What is that identity? How to use? Cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. If you have written this all, your 2 marks will be with you. Simple question for 2 marks. Is it clear? Yes. Let's see now. Next question. Let's see. They're asking the value of this is how much is equal to. We'll write sine square, please don't disturb, plus 1 by what is 1 plus tan square theta ma? Which identity? Second identity. Correct? From secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of 1 plus tan square theta we are writing secant square. What is 1 by secant is going to be? Very good. Secant is 1 by cos. 1 by secant is cos. So it is going to be cos square theta. From the identity, what is this value? 1. Therefore, you have to write the question. Sine square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. You have to highlight it and you keep it in a box. Clear? Easy or tough? Easy. Let's do the next. Quite. Oh, looks bigger. Yes. Now see what they given. 1 plus tan square. I hope you know. Evaluate what it came. How many times? 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square. What is its value? Secant square theta. Before doing anything, this look like a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b value? Is equal to a square minus b square. You know, when if I write exam, I will write these all points in my answer sheet. Clear? You understand? So what will be your answer here? Into 1 minus sine square theta. What is 1 minus sine square theta? So secant square theta into cos square theta. Secant can be written as 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta is equal to 1. Understand? What I have to write here in side? Sir, you have to write the second identity. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And first identity I should write or not? No need. That's it. This only I need to mention because I didn't use the first identity anyway. Did I use it? Yes, I used it here. In place of 1 minus sine square, I used it as like cos square. So I should mention that also. What is that? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sir, why this all you are writing so much extra? If you want 100 out of 100, they will recheck your paper. If the one person will correct, you got 100 out of 100. Another person will recheck. That person will try to cut the mark. If you miss these all, easy for him. Half mark cut, 99 put, all of that. You understand? These all you should not avoid. Clear? You should mention these all. Which all? Whatever the formulas you are using inside the question. You should not give chance to that person to cut the mark. Clear? That is only the reason I am giving you these all. I am writing in my answer sheet. Understand? Suppose if you didn't care about this, if I write extra, not an issue, right? You understand? Like that you think. But for writing in this detail, you require a lot of time. When can be you write these all means if you have practiced it a lot, then only in small amount of time you can do these all. Clear? You need to practice. Okay, let's do the next question. They said this is equal to k, then find the value of k. So try to solve this. Cosecant square theta, don't disturb, into 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, what it will be? 1 minus cos square theta. Similar model, right? But konjam different they ask. Yes. So cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta into, it is sin square theta. Cancel. You are left with 1. So k is equal to how much? 1. Is it clear? Therefore, k is equal to 1. Understand? First they will check your answer. Your answer is correct means they will get impression, yes, he might have done correct. They will check some intermediate step. If that is also correct means they will, without checking, they will give the tick. Your final answer must be correct. Okay. Let's do the next. What is that? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Then secant theta minus tan theta will be how much? Okay, that means I am thinking of identity 2 because he talked about secant tan, right? What is identity 2? Right, from identity 2. From, you just write, no need to mention identity 2. From secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. If you observe on the left side, it's like a square minus b square. So what it will be? A square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. Agree? Yes or no? So observe here. So what it will become? Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Agree? What is given? Given, you write. Given. What is given? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Substitute there. Or else, in the next step you can do. What is secant theta minus tan theta alone? Yes, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Now what is secant theta plus tan theta they gave? So answer is 1 by x. Secant theta minus tan theta will be how much ma? 1 by x. Is it clear? Any confusion, sir? Sure? Pakkava? Easy or tougher? Easy. Now you are telling Vinesh easy. That is the sum pollana olada. Don't fear first of all. Okay? Then only will able to do. Let's see. They gave sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Then find what is sin theta into cos theta. Okay, let's see now. Given எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Take it given. Given. Okay, what is given here? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. See, sin theta into cos theta I need. Am I correct or not? Observe, if you have done whole square, in one of the terms, sin theta into cos theta, you will get it right. Yes or no? So do squaring on both the sides. What it will become? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. Which is equal to right side, how much it is? 3. Left side, it is like a plus b whole square. What is its expansion? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Agree with this? What is this sin square theta plus cos square theta value? From the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So substitute in place of that. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. Send 1 to other side. What it will be? 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. Agree? Send the 2 also to other side. Sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 by 2. Why? Because it is multiplying. Understand? So what will be your answer now? Sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Is it clear? And highlight your final answer. Understand? That will be easy for them to correct. Understand? That's what only they asked, right? Sin theta into cos theta is how much? It is 1. Okay? Let's do the next question. Let's see. What did he give? Sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Cot beta equal to root 3. From here, what is alpha, ma? 45 degrees. What is beta from this? It is 30 degrees. How you should write, you know? You have to take this. Sin alpha equal to 1 by root 2. When sin will be 1 by root 2? Sin 45. So right side, left side compare panna. Therefore, alpha equal to 45. You should mention the step in this way. Clear? Similarly, what is the second one? Cot beta is equal to root 3. Cot 30 degrees is root 3. So on comparison, beta is equal to 30 degree. Is it clear? Now, what is asking us to find? Cosecant alpha plus cosecant beta. Cosecant alpha plus cosecant beta equal to cosecant alpha is how much? 45 plus both are cosecant, okay. Cosecant 30. What is cosecant 45 value? Root 2 plus cosecant 30 is how much? 2. That's it. Therefore, answer is how much? Cosecant alpha plus cosecant beta equal to 2 plus root 2. And you highlight your answer. Is it clear for everybody? Easy or tough? And remember, you should write all these steps. Okay? Next, quite. Let's do the next question. What did he give? X is equal to this, Y is equal to this. Prove this. Nothing. I will take the LHS. Okay. What is the LHS? LHS is equal to x square minus y square. What is x? X is P secant theta plus Q tan theta the whole square minus what is y? P tan theta plus Q secant theta the whole square. It is like a plus b whole square formula, right? What is its expansion? P square secant square theta plus Q square tan square theta plus 2pq plus 2pq secant theta into tan theta minus p square. See, you open the bracket, okay? Minus p square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta plus 2pq secant theta tan theta. Agree? Now rewrite properly. P square secant square theta plus q square tan square theta plus 2pq secant theta tan theta, multiply the minus p square tan square theta minus q square secant square theta minus 2pq secant theta tan theta. 2pq secant theta tan theta minus 2pq secant theta tan theta cancel. Correct? Now observe, from p square இருக்கிற term நந்து p square common எடுத்துக்கோங்க, q square இருக்கிற terms நந்து q square common எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So p square, what is left out? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now plus q square common எடுத்துக்கோங்க. What will be left? Tan square theta minus secant square theta. P square into 1 plus q square into minus 1. So from here p square minus q square. That is only our RHS or not? Yes. Hence proved. You should write all these steps. Clear? Understand? Clear? Let's go to the next. Try to do faster, you people, those who knows. Prove that this. Take the LHS. What is the LHS? Root of. What I will do is, I will do the rationalization. That means 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A, if it is there, I will multiply and I divided with 1 plus cos A. If it is a minus means I will do with 1 plus divided by 1 plus cos A. Agree? Now what you will get? Root of, in the numerator, 1 plus cos A the whole square divided by 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos square A, because it is A plus B into A minus B. What is 1 minus cos square A, ma? So in the numerator, 1 plus cos A whole square. Denominator it is sin square A. Both the terms have squares, right? Combiningly you write the square now. Root of 1 plus cos A by sin A the whole square. Then you cancel the root and square. What you are left with? 1 plus cos A whole divided by sin A. Separate the terms. 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. What is 1 by sin A? Cosecant A plus cos by sin A is how much? Cot A. Very good. That is only we need to prove, right, RHS? Hence, prove. Is it clear for everybody? Yes. What are the identities we used here? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 we use, and the formulas A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square we use. Clear? These are the formulas we use. Yes. What is your doubt? Which step? Hmm. Because இவனுக்கு ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு சைனுக்கு ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு சேர்ந்து ஸ்கொயர் எழுது எல்லாரும் ஓகே quite next question prove that this is equal to this so take the LHS what is your LHS sin A minus this correct I think you can take something common in the numerator so take it take sin A common what is left 1 minus 2 sin square A divided by again you take cos A common 2 cos square A minus 1 understand now what is sin A by cos A value yes you replace that with tan A here in the numerator bracket what is there 1 minus 2 sin square A 1 you just replace with the identity sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin square A you are having divided by 2 cos square A minus sin square A minus cos square A. Clear? In the next step, tan A, what is there? One of the sign will cancel with this, right? What you are left with? Cos square A minus sin square A. In the denominator, one of the cos will be cancelled. Cos square A minus sin square A. These two will get cancelled. What is your answer? If you remember, if you observe properly, sin A by cos A tan A vandirukku. That means they should get cancelled, right? Don't cancel. Cancel panna they will not give mark. You should get same and cancel. They are not exactly same. Cancel pannadukku. Understand? Yes. Yes, you can do. He is telling, sir, in place of cos square A, I will substitute 1 minus sin square A. Do. Some people will tell sin square A as 1 minus cos square A. That also will work. Is it clear? Purida, substitution also will work. I did substitution as one node substitution I did. Understand everybody? Clear? Fine. Let's do the next question. So secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. So let's see now. Take the LHS. What is your LHS? Secant A is there? Take it inside. What it will become? Secant A minus secant A into sin A. Agree? The other term, secant A plus tan A. Agree or not? Observe properly. Secant A minus secant can be written as what in this second step? 1 by cos A. And here you are having sin A. This term don't disturb. Secant A plus tan A. Observe very carefully. Secant A minus sin A by cos A. What is that? It is like A minus B into A plus B. What is that identity? A square. So secant square A minus tan square A. From the identity, its value is 1. Clear? Is equal to RHS. Any confusion, sir? Sure? Clear? Okay, fine. Let's see. See, the question I will tell you observation. See here, what is observation means? Here you are having secant A plus tan A. Correct? That means this all together should become what? Secant A minus tan A. Then only it will become secant square A minus tan square A and you will get it as 1. Oh, how it will become secant A minus tan A? This already secant A. When you multiply with 1, no issue. The other one, secant A into sin A can be converted as tan by using the secant A as 1 by cos A. Like that your procedure should be. See, this step I already predicted when I was in the first step. Do you understand? The last step I already predicted. How I predicted? Because secant A plus tan A irukku. I need secant A into secant A minus tan A, then I will get secant square minus tan square. Up the value 1. Is it clear for everybody? Understand? Yes. Don't discuss quite. Next question. Prove that this equal to this. Take the LHS. What it will become? Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. I have to prove this. How do we do? Take the LHS and proceed. What we will do in this kind of questions? We will change all terms into sin and cos. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin A minus sin A. Don't disturb the sin terms and cos terms. This will be 1 by cos A minus cos A. Right below 1. Proceed now. What you will get? Sin A 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus cos square A whole divided by cos A. What is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A will be how much more? Cos square A divided by sin A into sin square A divided by cos. Cos A and square cancel. Sin A and square cancel. You are left with cos A into sin A. You cannot do further simplification with this. Okay. So what we will do? We will take the RHS. You understand? You cannot get directly RHS. அப்ப நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? தனியா solve பண்ணணும். Try to solve the RHS and get as like cos A into sin A. is equal to 1 by, what is cot A can be written as? Cos A by sin A, plus tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Take the LCM. Cos square A plus sin square A divided by sin A cos A. This denominator of the denominator will go to the numerator. So what you are left with? Sin A cos A divided by 1. Yes. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS equal to sin A cos A. Understand? Is it clear for everybody? In this way you prove this step. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Now, next question. So, sin power 6a plus 3 sin square a into cos square a equal to 1 minus cos power 6a is asking us to prove. Take the LHS. Take the LHS. What is your LHS? Sin power 6a plus 3 sin square a cos square a. Correct? So what do we do now? What do we do now? What do you want to take it common? Sin square a will take it common. Okay, as you said, we'll take sin square a common. What you are left with? But Seema, you need cos power 6 or not? Taking common is waste of time. What is sin and cos relation? From identity, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So, you don't have any sign on the right side. Agree with that? So, ella sign cos oda replace panikonga. So, sin square a can be replaced as 1 minus cos square a. Replace. Sir, sin power 6, how will you write? Sin square a whole cube plus, remaining all okay, 3 3 sin square a cos square a. Substitute now. What is sin square a? You said 1 minus cos square a whole cube. It's like a minus b whole cube formula. Okay. Plus 3, no, 1 minus cos square a into cos square a. Expand now. What do you get here? A minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube formula. A cube minus b cube. What is that? Minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Substitute now. 1 minus cos power 6a minus 3 cos square a plus 3 cos power 4a plus, multiply it properly, 3 into 1, 3. So, I am taking one more extra step. 3 minus cos square a into cos square a. Now again I will multiply. Very good. So, 3 should multiply to this also. Okay. Now multiply. 1 minus cos power 6a minus 3 cos square a plus 3 cos power 4a. Multiply now. Plus 3 cos square a minus 3 cos power 4a. Cancel. You are left with 1 minus cos power 6. That is your RHS. Is it clear? That is your RHS. Understood? Any confusion, sir?